Are you a seasoned gardener who puts in the work but still gets underwhelming onions? Or maybe you feel like you're wasting precious space in your garden beds. I'm Lee, and I wanted a way to grow big onions while using every square inch efficiently. Nature uses hexagons for a reason. It's the most efficient way to fill a space with no gaps. I built this template using scrap cedar fencing. It's cheap, rot resistant, and lightweight. Precision matters. I laid this out 8 inches on center to give those bulbs the room they need to swell. Glue and staples make for a rock-solid build that can handle the vibration of garden work. Woodworker's tip: use a scrap 2x4 backer to prevent blowouts when drilling your 1-inch holes. The H-frame handles are all about ergonomics. It's light, but these let you set it with 2 hands for perfect alignment. The edge of the pickets register against my string line. Just drop the bulbs in and move to the next row. Cultivation's a bit different with a staggered layout. A narrow wire hoe or heavy mulch is your best friend here. The result? My best onion harvest to date. No wasted space, and every bulb got its full 8 inches of room.